Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Sonia and I'm so glad that you're here. I wanted to take a couple of minutes to share with you this beautiful package sent to me from Laura Mercier of her new tinted Blur Bombs. And thank you to Laura Mercier for sending this to me. I received this a couple of weeks ago and I did film it last week, but my head was cut off, so I thought it looked really ridiculous. And that's why I'm going to be refilming it today. That being said, I also can now say my actual thoughts on this product because I have had a chance to use it. So first of all, what is this? According to Laura Mercier, a first of its kind balm to powder blurring skin tint. It comes in 8 shades and this is shade number 3. Here's a close-up shot of Laura Mercier's new tinted Blur Balm number 3, which is a neutral shade, which is why I chose it. I do have an olive skin tone, so most colors look too pink or too orange on me. Even neutral shades tend to look more pink or more orange on me. Texture of this product is very, very nice. You can see it's actually very balm-like, which makes perfect sense because that's what it is. Here's a close-up to show the texture of the new tinted Blur Balm. I'm applying it on the outer aspect of my palm so you can see what it looks like clearly. It has a very light scent to it. I can't quite put my finger on what exactly the scent is, but it's not floral and it's not perfumey. It's a fresh scent and it's not overpowering. So if you wanted an unscented product, this is not unscented, but the scent is very, very mild. I really like it. Things that are heavily perfumed bother me sometimes, but this didn't bother me. Apply this 4 ways. You can use their beautiful foundation brush and apply it as you would a normal foundation. Like so. I wanted to show exactly what this product looks like as you blend it out. I'm choosing my palm because it's lighter in shade, and I figured that that would be helpful to my followers and friends who are of a lighter skin tone than me. You can see how beautiful a glow this leaves on my skin. Very beautiful, healthy glow, which is something I really like because I usually have kind of a greenish sickly glow, as a lot of us with olive skin tones have. So that's the first way to wear this. You can also apply it down the middle of your face with your fingers and then just kind of blend it in. Another way to apply this product is to get a shade or 2 darker and use it kind of as a contour, applying it in the hollows or on the hollows of your face and then blending it upwards. And the 4th way to apply it is to use it as for touch-ups. So you can carry it with you, it's very compact, and just use your fingers to kind of touch up any areas that are oily or red or need a bit of fixing. And it blends really nicely. It really melts into the skin. It's given me a very beautiful warm glow, which I like, particularly for summer, which is coming up. It doesn't feel heavy on the skin. It feels light, but also kind of comforting. Like it feels like a balm. So if you have like lip balm, and you've used lip balm before, which many of us have, it has that type of a light, soothing kind of a feeling. It really feels nice on the skin. I did have a chance to wear this for a full day. It is slightly warm on me, but the finish is absolutely beautiful. It really does give my skin a very healthy glow. I don't know if you can properly see it down here. I did do some footage upstairs with my iPhone in natural light, and my iPhone camera is quite harsh. It highlights every little detail that I don't want highlighted, but I wanted to share what it looks like without any interference as well. This camera has some sort of a filter on it, as well as sometimes it blurs in and out. I don't really know how to use it as well as I should, and at some point I will, but for right now this is the best that I have. But down here it looks really flawless. Upstairs in the natural light it looks very beautiful, but you can see the texture on my face, and the good thing about this is that it looks like real skin. But it looks healthy. It gives my skin a very healthy glow. So here is shade number 3 in Natural Light by a Big Window. You can see that my skin still looks like skin, and it now has a beautiful, healthy, summery glow. And it does seem to have a bit of a blurring effect, which is exactly what it claims to do. I did have the opportunity to wear it all day, and it didn't oxidize or turn orange on me. It is slightly, shade number 3, slightly warm on me, but it didn't look awkward. I didn't look like a Cheeto or an Oompa Loompa or anything like that, so it gave me kind of a healthy looking summer glow, as opposed to my usual greenish hue that those of us with an olive skin tone are well aware of. It's a beautiful product. So far, I really love it. I don't have anything negative to say about it. So anyway, I would love to see what hear what your thoughts are on this product. If you tried it or if you're curious about it, please let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for sending me this amazing product to try, Laura Mercier. And if you've enjoyed this video and you like to see more of this type of content, please remember to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next time.